Hi guys, welcome again. So in this video, you learn how to create a LinkedIn ad account. So you log into your LinkedIn account, then you click on the advertise button at the top right corner. Okay, so this is going to take you to this page. Next, you move your cursor to the top left corner where you're going to find the create button. Then you click on it. You're going to see a drop down. Then you click on account. Next, you could decide to change this name. So let's change this name. We're going to name it Coppola Ad Account. So don't forget, ad account still means advertising account. So next, we're going to change the currency. So you could leave it at the US dollar, or you could select a preferred currency of your choice and also the region. Okay. But for this video, we're just going to select United States, which is the US dollar. All right. So let's move forward. Next, you could decide to associate a LinkedIn page to this new ad account we're about creating. So we search for the page. It's Coppola. All right. So we're going to select Coppola as the LinkedIn page that's connected to this ad account. Then we click on save. Okay. So click on save. So congratulations, your new LinkedIn ad account has been created. All right. So you could actually play around with the features or explore the features on LinkedIn. Then you could add your billing information and start advertising on LinkedIn. All right, guys, see you in the next video.